So, speaking with somebody who was in a slip and fall accident in St. Petersburg, Florida a few days ago and ended up sustaining very serious injuries, the first question they had is, how do I find the best slip and fall attorney for me? And the first thing to consider is, does this attorney handle slip and fall cases? There's a lot of attorneys that handle all types of cases, from family law to bankruptcy cases, and there's even a lot of lawyers that handle personal injury cases that don't handle slip and fall cases. You need someone who specifically handles a high volume of slip and fall cases like our firm does. What's the next question to ask though? How do I know that someone is a specialist in handling civil trial law, which is what a slip and fall case is all about? You can look at the Florida Bar, who established a certification for civil trial law, which means that those attorneys that have reached that certification are specialists in that field. They can only become specialists in civil trial law by trying a certain number of cases in front of a jury and getting the approval of judges and other attorneys that explain that yes, indeed, this person is a specialist and has the level of expertise to be in that top 1% with the Florida Bar. The third thing that I always tell people, and that I told this client in St. Petersburg, was that if you hire an attorney that doesn't go to trial, you're doing yourself a serious disservice. Because if you go to trial as an attorney, all the insurance companies, all the defense lawyers, and in slip and fall cases, all the companies that are self-insured know who the lawyers are that go to trial. And they take those lawyers more seriously because they know if they lowball those attorneys are going to go to trial. They're going to push it as far as they need to make sure that their client gets something that's fair. And so that's what I told that person. That's what I would tell anybody. Make sure that you hire someone that's board certified, that handles slip and fall cases regularly, and goes to trial on a regular basis like the lawyers at our firm.